Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we are doing section A of Unit 7. The name of the chapter is Fair Play. This is a story by Munshi Premchand. So Munshi Premchand is the writer of the story. The story is retold and it's set on the background of rural lifestyle and justice system. And the story tells us that all are equal before the law. How we should be just and fair in our decision. How we should put aside our friendship or our enmity when it comes to being just in our decisions. And how honesty and truthfulness prevails. So this story is about two friends who realize how important it is to be just and fair. And this is about two friends. The story is about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or a sense of what is right and wrong. And they also had a fair sense of justice. Even after that, they played such a role where they became enemies of each other. Initially, they were very good friends, but nature played such a role in their friendship where they were tested for their honesty and truthfulness and for their equality that they had to become enemies. Their friendship was at stake, but in the end they realize and understand the importance of justice and right things in life. So this is what the story is about. Let's know a little bit about the author of the story, Munshi Premchand. So Munshi Premchand, he was born on 31st July 1880 and passed away on 8th October 1936. He was a great novel writer, story writer and dramatist. His actual name is Dhanpat Rai Srivastav. He was famous for his modern Indian literature and he is one of the most celebrated writers of the Indian subcontinent and is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. His novels include Godaman, Karma Bhumi, Gaban, Mansarovar and Eidgah. He has been referred to as the Upanyas Samrat, that means emperor among novelists. Not the king, but emperor, above the kings, by writers. His works include more than a dozen novels, around 300 short stories, several essays, and translation of several foreign literary works into Hindi. See how a great writer he was. And this story, Fair Play, is a story by Munshi Premchand set on the background of rural lifestyle. Rural is village life and justice system. And the characters in the story are Jumman Sheikh, Algu Chaudhary. These are the two friends on whom the story is based. Jumman's aunt, Samju Sahu, Panch Pradhan, Jumman's wife and other villagers. So these are the characters of this play. Jumman Sheikh, Algu Chaudhary, old aunt of Jumman, Samju Sahu, Panch Pradhan and Jumman's wife and villagers.